Hi, welcome back to the WP Tonic WordPress Basics course. Earlier, I had showed you a pro tip on how to duplicate a page and then save that page by renaming it. That way, in case you made too many harsh edits or you wanted to kind of start over with where the template started you at, you could always go back to one of those pages that you had saved before you modified it too great. The other thing I promised to show you was what we kind of call revision versions. And so, real quickly, I want to go back into my shared screen here with you. And I want to go back to that edit screen that we were working on with the home page. Now, one of the things that you'll notice right away is right here it says for revisions. We can click on that and it's going to say, do I want to leave the site? Did I make any changes or anything like that? And of course, I'm going to say no, we're going to move right on. And now you can see right here that we've had multiple revisions. There's a little slide bar up here. So we can go backwards and take a look at the different revisions that we have had. So you can see right here is where we had the blank page and we added the starter template. Okay. And then this is where we made changes to the title. This is where we made more changes to the title. And then this was the last set of changes that we had just made. Now, if I wanted to restore one of those auto-saved versions, we can go in here and say, for example, restore this autosave, and it will restore that version for us. So we can go backwards. However, the reason I said that it was a pro tip to save the original page, rename it, and then have it to always go back as where the template had started is because quite honestly, a lot of folks that are new to WordPress probably don't recognize all of this code that's here. And it can be maybe a little overwhelming or feel a little like I'm in the deep end, right? When you start to look at this. So without having the experience or the knowledge base to look at your different revisions and go, well, gee, what did I really change here? What did I really affect? If you're not certain, sometimes it's easier to have that copy in your website, that the original template that you can go back to, and then you can kind of remanufacture the changes at the level that you want. So the reason why I give you the pro tip and then show you the actual revisions is so that you have the choice. You can make the option of, do I want to figure this out based on the code that I'm looking at? Or do I want to just go back to the way this page started and start modifying that page again with a more of a what you see is what you get environment? So that, folks, is how you access the revisions and how you can make a real definite choice based on the content using the code. Or you could have saved a copy at the beginning and then gone back and start your modification over. I hope that helps. Have a great day.